Hi, it's Chris Forbes from the Cheeky Panda. What I'd like to do today is introduce you to our new kitchen towel. Now, a couple of things about the kitchen towel. I absolutely love the way that it's got little two fingers from my hand here. And obviously what this is a naturally sustainable bamboo tissue. And but one of the things that I absolutely love about it is the fact that there's no dust. So most tissues come from recycling, and there's like lots of lint. And as you can see here, I've got this great big glass table, and I've always used kitchen towel to clean the glass table. So what I'm going to show you is just going to show you how effective the bamboo tissue is at clearing up this table, which is remnants from a team lunch that we had yesterday. So here we go. Just quick swipe here, and you can see, just one sheet here, and absolutely just cleaning it all off. Like I said, it's just one sheet. So you actually use a lot less than what you would do with your regular tissue, and it's done a fantastic job here. This is, and this is absolutely filthy, and there's no dust at all. So you'll use a lot less of it. I mean, I always used to remember cleaning my kitchen tables, and I would have to use 7, 8, 9, and I'd spend 5 minutes just going back over and over and over again with the same tissue. And what we have here is just a little wipe. Absolutely just takes it all off. Absolutely fantastic. So as you can see, naturally sustainable, absolutely no dust whatsoever. Like it's brand new. You use a lot less of it. So my new favourite product, the Cheeky Panda kitchen towel.